In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add link in abandoned cart that redirect to the product in Klaviyo. This is a small change, but it makes a big difference. When someone clicks your product image or your call to action button in an abandoned cart email, you want that click to take them straight back to their checkout or cart so they can finish purchasing with as few steps as possible. Klaviyo can do this using a dynamic link pulled from the event data that triggers the flow. First, go into your Klaviyo account and open the Flows section. This is where your automated sequences live, including abandoned cart messages. Next, find and select your abandoned cart flow. Make sure you choose the correct one if you have multiple versions, such as a test flow and a live flow. Opening the right flow matters because you are about to edit the email content inside it. Once you are inside the flow, click directly on the email block you want to update. After selecting the email, choose the option for the template, and then go to Edit Content. This will open the email editor so you can change what happens when someone clicks elements in the message. Now, inside the email editor, click either the product image or the button, depending on which element you want to be clickable. You can update both, but you will do them one at a time by selecting each element and editing its link settings. When the link settings are open, locate the URL field. In that URL field, paste the dynamic event variable, event.extra.checkout_UR. This tells Klaviyo to insert the checkout link captured from the abandoned checkout event, so each recipient gets a personalized link back to their own cart or checkout. Take a moment to ensure the variable is pasted exactly as shown, with the same spelling and punctuation, because a small typo can break the link. Also confirm you are pasting it into the URL field for the correct element, like the button link or the image link, not into the visible text. Finally, click Save, and then click Done to exit the editor. Your abandoned cart email is now set so that clicks redirect the customer back to their checkout experience. And that is all there is to it.